Everybody's gonna dance tonight. I know I'll see you.
You've really got to see this.
Everybody's gonna dance tonight. I know I see you. I know I taste you.
It's free and it's so fragile.
It's so daring, so bold.
Oh yes.
You gotta change my life. Tell me please. Tell me baby. Tell me please.
And the boundless success seems to reach its peak. Large gatherings of people have come out in the streets of London to celebrate the artist's work. Soundcheck of a Picture is about to invade every rack in the country, and who knows, in the world.